Turns out it was nothing. It was just the wife being nosy and bossy. Go figure. So I wanted to show you this real quick before it goes tomorrow. He's going to pick it up tomorrow. This is the Wolfram Platinum, which is basically just a 30 millimeter top plate version of the 400 ounce from low to base. And ours is going to have 4 slugs. That's all. No big difference. We're going to still use the 20 millimeter top plate, which I think is still fine and dandy for a woofer this big, but we're going to use a 3-inch coil. This is the 4-inch version, and it looks pretty heavy duty, like it could fit an 8-layer. The ID on it is 96.5. The OD is 107 millimeter. This is, let's make sure. That's 20. What is that? 20? That's 20. Plus another 10, so 30. So that's about standard. 30 millimeter tall gap, and then triple 1-inch slugs, which is 25 millimeter each. No bolts. That's what caused the shift, or that's what made it vulnerable to the shift. The bolt hole circle is 160 millimeter, which is pretty standard now, and should fit some TI frames. It'll fit in the corners unless you mill it. I don't know if I have any milled ones left. Yeah, so this one has the 160 bolt hole circle, I think. Is that right? No. This has the 155. This is Scott's. Let's see if I have any left. Here's one that I drilled. Ugh! So this is mine. And so what I did was I just drilled right there. See? I added on the edge. I think I've shown you some of the other ones that have been milled out. I think these 10s we did. Yep. So it just uses a, it's not a Forstner bit. Forstner bit is for, wood, but it's basically the same thing. It's just a flat, just makes a flat hole, it countersinks it. So I added a couple patterns on this one. So, but yeah, I like using the windows because again, it makes it detachable. So other than that, that's it. I'm getting a little freezy cold, time to go in. But I wanted to give you this, guys, for the AudioGuts website, which again, it's entirely too large of a project for me to manage, and so it's going to take lots and lots of years and lots of people. And basically, it's the specs and the DIMMs for every motor ever made, all the audio equipment ever. I love you guys. Bye.